Good morning, everyone. It is 7:27 on April 3rd. It is a Sunday. I have a very busy day, very exciting. I can't wait to see these people. But anyway, before 6, I couldn't. Oh, I wake up so early. I just can't go back to sleep because I have like a million things to do. And every time I have a little bit of downtime, and yes, that even includes when I'm laying in my bed and trying to sleep, my mind is just like, bing, all these things I need to do. So today, basically, I edited this video because I want to get it out there. It's about how I'm dealing with all the stuff that arrived in my apartment, my storage. And I know it sounds easy, and we all love our things, and that's the problem. But quite often, we will have a lot of things around us, and I mentioned to a girlfriend, because we are collectors, we love our things. For me, it's complicated because it's material. To anyone else, it's like, oh God, that's a pile of, stuff, like just throw it out. But in my brain, there are projects, and I know we all say this with crazy, huge things like projects that will happen one day, but mine are simple. It's just material, it's yarn, and it's stuff that, designs that I started to make once upon a time. Either I lost inspiration, but now when I've been pulling out all my little babies and trying them on, I flip and love them. And I can't wait. Like, this season is supposed to be like all jeweled and everything. So I'm going to put attach a lot of things to sweaters to make them super girly, even though they're girly to begin with. Yeah, I'm super psyched now when I see what actually was sitting in a basement for a year. So, yeah, so anyway, this is a video about how I tackle stuff. And at least if you can condense it, take it all out, remove what you really know that you don't want, and then just condense it all, make it all fit nicely. I ended up with a pile of stuff, and mine's easy. It's like yarn that just needs to go in the yarn bins. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but you can't tackle it all in one day. Like, that will just drive you crazy. So what happens is, now that I have it all condensed, and when I look at it, I'm like, oh yeah, I know where this goes. Oh, I know where I can put that. And, what am I going to do with all these cute little blankets that I did? Do I really want to tear them apart? Maybe not. Maybe I'll pile them on my couch for now. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, this is the video of me and trying on things, because I'm just so happy to find everything again. Yeah, I said to my girlfriend, when we have these things, I said it's unfortunate because basically we are living in a storage unit. We give that stuff more importance than us having a lovely life. So if we can arrange to condense things and maybe just pile it up on a corner, on a wall that, you're not staring at it when you walk in a wall, like when you walk in a room. So you walk into a room, you see a beautiful room, and you turn around and then you see your little pile of stuff that can be tackled here and there. Like today, after I get back from my visits, I'm going to take like a little bin apart, put some stuff away, and just keep working on it, one little bin at a time, one little tiny thing. And boop, 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 it'll all be gone. Another project I started yesterday because I did have one client, which was fantastic, and it was super fast. And then the other one, felt badly because I didn't touch base when I got home. But she really had a major dent in her place all by herself. She's a little tired. So we'll go back over this week and give her a hand, but nothing's a rush. She has an apartment that needs to be rented, a couple of them, almost 3 of them coming up. And but there have to be repairs happening before people can get in there. Plus, you got to like check out the tenants, That's always fun. But anyway, yeah, I started on my tree putting the little leaves. I actually went to the dollar store to get these things, and I thought, oh, I'll just try out this one little type of leaf. And I went back, all sold out. Then I went to another dollar store, all sold out again. So I'm going to try to hit them all because there's a little dollar store tucked away in there. So maybe some of these leaves will still be there. So it's nice. I'm starting to add the green into the brown. And I want to sort of achieve, it's got like the nice little white lights on it. And so I figured this morning when I looked at it, turned them on while I was boiling my water. And I looked at it and I'm like, oh, why can I not achieve, how somebody or how people make up these spaces to get married in and have their dinners. So it's all like fairy lights and very beautiful and sort of like magical. So I thought, why can't I have that year round? Like, why is what I have in my head, all these little fairy lights and trees and things like that in my dining room, why do I feel like it's such an immature move? But then when I think of weddings, I'm like, oh my God, they achieved this look for one night. Why can I not have something beautiful for me and my guests to enjoy a beautiful space that looks wedding-ish? Because that's basically me marrying myself and inviting people to the party once in a while. But it's all about me. Why would I not make a beautiful space, even if it's just for me? Yes, so that is what I'm trying to achieve. Anyway, I'm trying to keep my little talks to a minimum. It's 7 minutes. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I'm just going to put on some music and you'll be able to see me go through tackling my storage. Still lots more to do. But anyway, I feel really great that I have a lot of space to walk around, and you'll see how I do it. So hopefully it'll encourage you to be able to tackle your own storage. And if you do, please contact me or send me pictures. Always take a before picture, because once you do what you did at the end, and it's such a big, big feat, we always forget what it used to look like. So we'll be like, oh my God, you wouldn't believe what it did, but a picture says 1,000 words. So take a before, take an after, you'll feel like a rock star. Anyway, enjoy the Sunday. Have a fantastic day out there. Love you all. Thank you for watching my little videos and watching me along my journey. Okay, have a great one.